Reynato Puno, born May 17, 1940, is a Filipino jurist. He served as the 22nd Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of the Philippines from December 8, 2006, by President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo until his mandatory retirement on May 17, 2010. Puno had initially been appointed to the Supreme Court as an Associate Justice on June 28, 1993. Puno was appointed on January 23, 2018, as the chairperson of the Consultative Committee to review the 1987 Constitution by virtue of Executive Order No. 10. Puno is also the chairman of the solar energy company named Genwatt. Puno earned his law degree from the University of the Philippines, Diliman. During his stay in the State University, he also served as editor of the Philippine Collegian. He would later finish postgraduate studies at Southern Methodist University, Dallas, Texas Master of Comparative Laws, University of California, Berkeley Master of Laws, and University of Illinois finish all academic requirements of the degree of Doctor of Judicial Science. Puno began his legal career in private practice. In 1969, he joined the law practice of his elder brother Isaac, a future judge whose murder at age 42 remains unsolved to date. In 1971, he joined the office of the Solicitor General, where he would serve for the next 9 years. In 1980, Puno was appointed by President Ferdinand Marcos as a Justice of the Court of Appeals. He rejoined the Executive Department in 1984, this time as a Deputy Minister of Justice. Upon the assumption into office of President Corazon Aquino in 1986, Puno was reappointed to the Court of Appeals. Puno has been praised for his erudite and literary writing style. His predecessor as Chief Justice, Artemio Panganiban, once lauded Puno's writing in the following manner. Like a trained surgeon, he uses his pen with razor-like precision to separate the excise fabrication from truth and pretension from reality. In the process, he gives life to populist causes and libertarian ideals. Darting, gutsy, and erudite, he often wages lonely battles against conventional wisdom with his stirring dissents and insightful opinion. On June 28, 1993, President Fidel V. Ramos appointed Puno as an Associate Justice of the Supreme Court at the age of 53. He would serve in that capacity for the next 13 years. Upon the retirement of Justice Josue Bellosillo in 2003, Puno became the Senior Associate Justice. Traditionally, the most senior associate justice was appointed to fill any permanent vacancy to the seat of the Chief Justice, though this tradition was not always observed. Upon the retirement of Chief Justice Hilario Davide Jr., In 2005, Puno, as the Senior Associate Justice, was a leading candidate for appointment as the next Chief Justice. However, President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo instead appointed Associate Justice Artemio Panganiban as Chief Justice, marking the first time in 20 years that the Senior Associate Justice was bypassed. Justice Puno remained as the most senior associate justice for the 12 months of the term of Chief Justice Panganiban. Despite some speculation that President Arroyo would again bypass Puno and appoint either Associate Justice Leonardo Quizuming or Senator Miriam Defensor Santiago as Chief Justice, Puno was appointed to the post within hours from the retirement of Panganiban. Puno denied speculations that he will retire from the position of Chief Justice before May 17, 2010. Personal life. Puno was married to Luz Viminda T. Delgado Puno 1940 to 2006. A lawyer who had been the clerk of court of the Supreme Court from 1993 to 2005. She died April 12, 2006, at the St. Luke's Medical Hospital, Quezon City due to complications from heart surgery. On April 25, 2007, Narcisa Sisang Serrano Puno, 92, mother of Chief Justice Reynato S. Puno, died at the Philippine Heart Center in Quezon City. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 vlogs.